Alright, you actually know how to do this already. Alright, this is finding products. We've done this already. We've FOILed it out. So reminder, 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times minus 3 is minus 9x. Now move on to the 7. 7 times x is 7x. 7 times minus 3 is minus 21. Then combine like terms. Negative 9x plus 7, negative 2x. That's it. That's all you're doing. So what's happening here is that I just give you more terms to work with. So here I have b, and you just have more. So you're going to do 6x squared times x cubed. So that's 6x. You add the exponents, so it's x to the 5th. So 6x squared times x cubed is 6x to the 5th. 6x squared times 8x is 48x cubed. Right? Add the exponents. 2. The exponent on here is 1, so 2 plus 1 is 3. Now do 6x squared times minus 2. So it's minus 12x squared. Now do the negative 5x. So you do negative 5 times x cubed. Now, here's the trick. Instead of writing it over here, I'm going to look for what it's common with. So negative 5x cubed is going to be combining with the 48x cubed. So I'm going to write it underneath that. Then negative 5 times 8 is negative 40x. Well, there's nothing that matches that. So I write it over here. And then negative 5 times negative 2 is positive 10. And nothing matches that. Then combine. So 6x to the 5th plus 43x cubed minus 12x squared minus 40x plus 10. Alright, that's it. That's the answer. And then C, and by the way, I'm not doing D. I don't think I put any fractions on there. Alright, I know you guys hate fractions. You gotta get over that though. You gotta get over this hate of fractions. Alright, now I'm going to do it a little differently. This is 3, it's a trinomial times trinomial, and you could do it the way you did. If you like doing it this way, just do the same thing. You would just do 3x squared times 2x squared, 3x squared times negative 3x, 3x squared times negative 2. Write it all out. And then do negative 5x times 2x squared, negative 5x times minus 3x, negative 5x times minus 2. Write it all out. And then what? So, you know, just do that. What I'm going to do is long multiplication. Okay, in fact, I probably should have scooched that over. Let me scooch that over. Since I'm not doing that problem, let's just scooch it over here. 3x squared minus 5x plus 1. You'll understand why I'm scooching it over in a second. 2x squared minus 3x minus 2. Remember long multiplication? Long multiplication I'm referring to is when you had like 135 times 76 and you had to do it longhand. That's what I'm doing here. Okay? So all I did was copy the first one, and the order doesn't matter here because it's multiplication. So usually you would pick the longer one. If it was a binomial times trinomial like this one, and you wanted to do it this way, this vertical format, you would put the trinomial on top. Okay? So, but they're both trinomials, so then it doesn't matter which one I put on top. What I'm going to do is take the last one and just distribute that. So negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 5x is positive 10x. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6x squared. Then I'm going to move on to the negative 3x. Negative 3x times 1 is negative 3x. And put it right underneath that. You know, like in long multiplication, we're scooched over. Negative 3 times negative 5 is positive 15x squared. Negative 3 times positive 3 is negative 9x cubed. Just make sure you pay attention to those exponents. I don't know why I put it down there. It should be right next to it. Negative 9x cubed. Why did I do that? Alright. That's a mess. Goodness gracious. My brain must have slipped. Alright. So I've done with the negative 3x. Now I'm doing with 2x squared. 2x squared times 1 is 2x squared. 2x squared times negative 5 is negative 10x cubed. Right? Remember, you're adding the exponents. So it's 2 plus 1 makes 3. Now do 2x squared times 3x squared makes 6x to the 4th. And then combine downwards. So 6x to the 4th doesn't combine with anything. Negative 9 and negative 10 is negative 19x cubed. Negative 6 plus 15 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11x squared. 7x minus 2. And that's the final answer. That's it. That's multiplication.